Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're doing this video on Cataclean. I think I've done this video. I think I've done a review of this like way back, but I'm just gonna do this review of it again. This is probably the most popular solution for people who have catalytic converter issues, check engine light emission issues, trying to clean out the catalytic converter, etc. instead of replacing it, which costs a couple $1,000s. Now, me personally, I've used these a couple of times. I've also used somebody, I don't know if it was Scotty Kilmer, who actually suggested using some kind of some kind of liquor from the Home Depot. If you guys know what I'm talking about, I forget what it is, but I've also emptied a tank in the Toyota Highlander that I had. I will tell you that, you know, the Cataclean that you're looking at here is probably like the most expensive out of the choices that you have. I mean, personally, I know this is like the most well-known brand as far as brands that are solutions for this problem, but to be honest with you, you guys could use the Walmart, what is it, Super Tech brand $5 solution. I think it just works the same way. There's Mobile One. There's like so many of this stuff out there right now that I don't think that you guys should pour like $19 to $25 on just one bottle of this, because I don't think it's worth the money considering all the options that you had. Now, previous to this, I think there might have been just Cataclean, like I'm talking about maybe like 10 years back when this solution came out. There might be a couple other options, but now if you guys ever go to like AutoZone or Walmart, you guys will see a whole entire section of this. They're called different things, right? Fuel injection cleaners, engine cleaners, whatever. You guys would pour this into the gas tank with like a quarter tank of gas, drive it so it's close to empty, and then see if it actually helps, and then do it again. I think it's all the same solution, but if you guys have had this and you guys think that this is like a great product and it's worked for you versus other products, definitely like leave a comment in the comment section. The thing about this is that all these solutions are just absolutely cheaper than your other option, which is to actually change out the O2 sensors, or worst case scenario, to change out the catalytic converter, which would cost you like maybe over $1,000 to a couple of $1,000s these days, depending on which shop is out there to rip you off the most these days. Yeah, they're kind of expensive as far as changing up the catalytic converter and all that stuff. But in any case, you can't go wrong with it. Even at like $20, you can't go wrong with it. Just pour 2 bottles in if you guys want. Or you guys could get the cheaper versions, which don't have the brand name as Cataclean, but is as good, if not as good as Cataclean. So you know what? I haven't actually read what's in these solutions, but I doubt that they're any different. They kind of all do the same thing. Anyway, hope this has helped you guys out with trying to figure out which to buy. If you guys have your own opinions on this, definitely like drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent item for you or not. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.